Hey guys, today we're going to build a flat pack beehive, or in this case a super. This one's an 8-frame one. So let's get the show on the road. So what we've got here is a flat pack 8-frame super. I got these online. I need another hive. One of the things is I haven't seen a good tutorial online about how to build them. What we've got is the super. We've got a square. We've got some stainless steel screws. We've got some wood glue, and we've got a mallet. So what we'll do is we'll start to put it together. Right, so we've got the ends. You can see the handles here. They go on the outside. What we're going to do here is we're going to put some wood glue on the edges first. I just use PVA wood glue. Put it all along the edges. Just going to use my finger to spread it out evenly. I'm going to put it together. So once you get it all lined up, hopefully we can just tap it in. Okay, that's one done. That's relatively square. Let's get the other end and do the same thing. We need our wood glue. Can be a little bit messy. And we'll do the same thing. Line it up. Get our mallet. And start tapping it in. Okay, that's great. All right, last one, a bit more glue. Okay. Here we go, here's our other side. Make sure we line it all up. Light tap in that side before we line this one up. There we are. Tap this one in. Good. Now I use a rubber mallet so it doesn't damage the wood. I'm going to paint this afterwards, so we're not too concerned about splattering. All right, just going to get my square. Just going to make sure we're all square inside, which we are. That looks fantastic. Okay, great. Now we need to screw it together. It's got some pre-drilled holes here. Normal screws out in the open will rust and deteriorate. What we need is some longer timber screws. These ones here are 50 mil, 8 gauge. I've seen 6 gauge as well, but these ones are stainless steel. Stainless steel won't rust or deteriorate, so especially being in the weather. So we're going to put those into the pre-drilled areas. Straight down. That's one. nice and slowly so we don't split the wood. Great, go the other side, another screw. Last one. Great. Okay. Once again, we can check it. Make sure it's square. Good, 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 good. That's how you assemble a beehive. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to let this the glue to harden, and after that I'm going to give it a primer and then a paint, and then they'll be all ready to go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. It'll help me make more videos like this one. Thanks. See you next time.